Alright guys, we are doing another Lollipop Chainsaw video. I am going to do part 2 of the thingy-majiggy. So hopefully, I don't know, so far the video game has been very good. I've enjoyed it so far. There's a lot of good hack and slash. If you guys haven't seen my first one, I mean, you can go back and watch it. If not, and you don't feel like it because you're too lazy, that's okay. You could just watch this one. And I hope you guys enjoy it because I have been enjoying it so far. Alright.
Hardy heart.
I still don't know what she's saying. I think she's saying hearty heart, but I'm really not sure yet. I'm going to try and be a little bit more exciting on this one. I'm sorry that I was a little awkward on the last one, but of course my name is Awkward Victoria. I'm going to try and be a little bit more excited about this because, well, you guys deserve it, and I didn't mean to be as, I guess, I don't know, I wasn't boring. I was just, it was my first video gaming episode. I mean, what do you guys expect from me? It's just a little weird, you know, talking to a camera while you're trying to do something, and with a person who has ADD like me, well, it's kind of hard. It's a little hard, so give me a little respect. Give me just a little respect, just a little bit. I am sorry. I thought I clicked on the right one. I guess I didn't. I guess it's high school that I need to go to next. What's going on?
Julia?
What?
Am I okay?
Yeah.
What?
Basically.
I feel
What?
okay.
I thought she cut off his head.
Julia, I'm not a zombie. Not at all. Oh no.
What the hell? Holy crap! It's just his head! Oh my god!
Oh, fuck.
Don't
What?
get mad. I didn't know what to do.
How am I still alive? How am I still
Yeah,
alive?
seriously, how is he still
Fucking
alive?
thorax.
He should be
Performed,
dead.
a magical ritual on your head.
Oh.
It's really hard. And I don't mean to be a jerk, but I think maybe just a little bit of appreciation is in order. If I didn't chop
Little.
off your head, the venom would have
Little?
seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
Juliet? How?
She cut off his head
I
and
didn't know how to
kept it!
perform a magical ritual on my decapitated
And he has a tie! Just to make him look cute. I mean, you gotta look fancy when you're just a head, guys. You gotta look good. Well, it's like a little tie, but still, the point is that you gotta look
That was
good.
weird.
The
I'm kind of, sort of,
What?
How is...
Juliet?
don't know how to say it exactly.
Zombies! Zombies! Come
I
and kill us
know.
now!
I'm a zombie hunter.
Oh.
What?
Well, now she says it. Well, I guess, you know, she was trying to... What the heck? How did she do that? What is going on? What is going on? Seriously. I have no idea. I mean, yeah, I'm killing zombies, but I'm just... She leveled that much, she had to keep his head? Jesus Christ. I mean, don't get me wrong. It'll be sad if, like, I guess the person that you like a lot is dead. But for God's sakes, to keep his head? That's just a little weird. But maybe that's just me. Alright, let's... Oh! School's adjourned! Oh god!
Another stupid zombie?
Yeah, seriously. I just love cutting off these guys' heads. It is so awesome. It's so weird. Like, look. His head is just bouncing off. Why has gotta be the butt?
Mr. Fitzgibbon.
Go to detention! Or, I guess.
Sucks.
Die. I never like what's this? Self-destructorial? What the heck does that even mean? Oh, okay, I can't read it. Destruct. What? Am I supposed to... What? Come on, I want to kill the teacher. Oh, that's why. I didn't know there was a zombie left. Die. 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 There. Uh-oh. 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 I just like how she's like, I have to tell you now, I am a zombie hunter. Now that you're ahead, and I guess you can't exactly run away from me, and I just saved your freaking life from becoming a zombie. Ooh, cool. Oh wow, 3 zombies in a row, guys! Like, he can't break up with her now. Like, if he broke up with her, like, just some, like, because I'm pretty sure they just started dating, it would suck, because he's internally grateful to the fact that she saved his life. That guy just jumped through a window. Oh god. Oops, when you fail to rescue a classmate, they sometimes turn into zombies. Alright. I guess he's mad at me because I did not save him in time, but you know what? You don't need to be so selfish. Your other classmates were dying, and you're just being a jerk. Alright. Die! Oh god, Jesus. Okay. Jesus, you're angry. I get it. I understand. Do you need some psychology with that? Come on. Just go to sleep. Just go to sleep. Yay! What do I look like, a whore? Well, I guess. Well, not a whore. I meant to say prostitute, but or stripper. But I guess in this outfit, I guess I could be mistaken for a stripper. What the heck is going on here? What is this guy's problem? Teacher zombie are the worst. Find their weak spot and make them die. So I gotta. But first, I need to save this chick. Wherever she went to, I think she disappeared. I am hoping to get Lollipop thingy, whatever it's called, whatever I just did. Alright, move the angle. Oh, good, get him! Oh, Jesus! He is angry with that. This is my table! This is my table! Get away! I picked this table, and it is mine! Ouch. Alright, get him! Okay, run! Oh, yeah! In your, well, I guess literally face, because I just literally cut off his head. Uh-oh. What's going on? Oh, Jesus. What the heck? What? Why? Why is there a zombie with a bomb pack on him? Why is there a zombie with a bomb pack on? How did that? Who gave the zombie a bomb?
Dynamite strapped to it.
Why would somebody do that?
They're reading my mind. So apparently there is an award for picking up her skirt. So I'm gonna try and do it. I really don't think I can. I tried. See, I can't. There's supposed to be an award, but I'm trying and I can't do it. Oh, well, now I just feel like a pervert. There's the police officers I saved, and now they're gonna die. Because I can't get to them in time. Oh, and another school bus! Jesus Christ!
That'll make the 5 o'clock news.
Or 5 o'clock, my butt. Where am I supposed to go? Uh-oh. What is this? Okay, watch. Yeah. Ooh, what is that? What? Is that his body?
Hey, Nick. We need to break through that wall. Can you give me a hand?
Yeah, right. I don't have a hand to give.
Well, not yet. But that spell I cast on you gives you some magical powers.
What?
maybe I can connect you to this zombie's body and you can
Is
temporarily use
that
it.
his body?
Just like this.
What the heck is going on?
This feels weird. Fluid stuff.
What is going on?
Ah!
Why is his body alive? What happened to his body? Why would you give up your body? What is going on? Oh, wait, well, here's a lollipop. What is going on? He just had a body. Why would he make it go away?
Look, if I use this ticket, I can totally use your cool powers.
Whatever, dude.
Oh, whatever's right. How do you pick up these things? Not that. Did I do it right? No, I didn't do it. Did I just pick up? Okay. Alright.
Time to shop.
Oh! I find this really cool. They're singing the Lollipop song. If you guys don't know what the song is,
Click,
then you need to go look it up because it is a very good oldie song. I used to sing the song all the time
What
when I
should
was
I
a
get?
kid. So far, this has been extremely weird. I don't know why the guy didn't take his body. I would have. Press L. Wait.
It was not my day.
Well, that just sucks. I didn't know what I was doing and I just failed. Oh god, I gotta get to the... No! I can't let him die! Die! Stop it! Leave him alone! Leave him alone! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! God! Jeez, look how much health he has left. Is there any more zombies? Oh. I was like, why is he saying thank you? Give me your money. This is all I'm doing this for. I want your money. Give me your money. I need to buy lollipops with your money. Yeah! Making it rain. Making it rain. I like how when you're cutting them, there's like little hearts that come out sometimes. Kind of makes it. Oh, I gotta get out of this mess. It kind of makes it a little like, I don't know. I guess a little girly, but for the I like this because it's like it's a little girly.
Thanks a lot.
It's about freaking time. Oh god, it's actually a zombie.
Hey, dude.
Zombie cop.
Err. Hold on, let me. Anyways, as I was saying, I kind of like this game because
Zombie with a gun. No fair.
I like how am I supposed to get by a guy who shoots? Zigzag! You gotta zigzag! Anyways, I like how this game is a little burly, but at the same time, it's like, really like, you know, kick butt. Yeah! What the heck? Oh my god, really? Again?
Man, their bodies are wrapped with bombs.
We need to hit him and run away before they explode.
Run, 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 run! Run! Jesus! God! Ooh! Didn't know there was anything in here.
Sorry.
How did she get in that situation? Alright, I wish you could run in this game. Oh god, they got bombs. Well, that happened. I somehow survived that bombing. What the heck?
Those zombies
Thank
totally
you.
pulled my underwear up my butt.
Pull your underwear up your butt? What did she just say? Jesus Christ! What is going on? I still don't know what's going on. Okay, press AB to finish off. Drop down zombies. Oh, jeez. Okay, I didn't know that. That would have been helpful in the tutorial. Or in the prologue, I guess is what they call it. Alright, come on. Come on. Oh, I did like a leapfrog sort of move over her head. Come on, I'm pushing 80. Oh, yeah, that's cool. I like chopping zombie bodies in half. What? In the world? What? How did she know that was gonna happen? Run! What the hell? Thanks, person! Thanks! The heck? Why do they have bombs strapped? What? 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 Oh my god. What is going on? I'm sorry, this is freaking hilarious. Oh my god. I guess I am a stripper. And that's why they're giving me money. Oh, that's funny. I like that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was beautiful. That was beautiful. That was. I'm sorry. That was great. I cannot believe they put that in a game. Though I can't say I'm surprised, but it's just funny when they actually do it. What the hell? How did he get a bomb on? Why are these people having bombs on them? What is the freaking point? With fire zombies. Oh god. Okay, well I gotta save this guy first, so I guess I'll just leave these guys in here. Okay, okay, they're about to explode? Ah! Oh god! I'm trying to direct them away from the SOS guy. Which I think I just killed him. Well, crap. Come on, chop off his head. Chop it off. Thank you. Wait, what's going on? There's nothing going on here. Gotta stop it! Stop it! Oh, I guess I can.
Morikawa-sensei. He's my sensei.
A sensei? Or like a teacher?
I didn't know you spoke Japanese, Nick.
Well, I can't speak Japanese, Juliet. I just know that one word.
Aw, your simple innocence is one of the most attractive things about you.
Yeah.
I think she just called me stupid.
Doesn't speak Japanese.
Yeah, okay.
I'm pretty sure she just called him stupid. I'm pretty sure. Zombie basketball.
It's zombie basketball. Time limit 3 minutes. You lose and plan.
What the heck is zombie basketball?
What? Game's already started.
I suck at basketball. And now they're telling me I have to play basketball. Okay, dribble zombies? Oh wow, cool. I don't even have to do anything. I just cut off their heads.
Time to get to work.
Damn it! You know, I could just turn this on, and then I could cut off some zombie heads. I like how they're playing this song in the background of the... What? What the heck? I should probably eat a lollipop. Come on. What the heck is that? What is coming at me? Oh, there's the cheerleaders. Freaking out about nothing. Yeah, well, I'm a cheerleader too. I got flashy moves like you do. Watch this. Whoa. Boosh. You're not the only one here. What is she doing? Did you guys see that? She was on her hand walking. Yeah, you see those moves, cheerleader? Let me teach you a thing or two. You want to learn my sweet moves? You want to learn? Well, too bad. Oh, God. What? This is so cool. Like, they're putting, like, mini games in this game. 1 minute left. Oh, God. 1 minute on the clock. And she make it. Can she make it? What, am I throwing wings at him, or is it just sets? I should probably take one more lollipop. You never know. Ouch. So is this like the whole basketball team? That are these like my cheerleading companions? Yeah. Are you kidding me? Yeah, try to deflect those. Yeah. Deflect those. Yeah. You can't. You wanna know why? Because I'm so dang awesome. Yeah. I guess because there's 1 minute left on the clock, they're giving me like, ouch. Like, a lot of zombies. What did I get? Oh. See, I told you guys I'm not good at basketball. It was 87 on 100. That was me. Did I just die? No! I died to a basketball game. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't win the basketball game, but I suck at basketball, so honestly, I am not surprised. I am really not surprised that I did not win that. So, of course, I have 2 shoutouts for you guys today. I have a video gamer, and I have a person who does kind of like little fight matches and stuff like that. Check out those 2 new YouTubers, like, comment, and subscribe to them. And this was a lot of fun. This is a lot of fun. My recording lasted a lot longer than I expected, but that's okay. It's going to be a good episode. My brother Billy also does YouTubing as well, and he is trying to re-renovate his whole entire kitchen. His YouTube name is called Kirk's Kickin' Kitchen, which is a really good tongue twister, and he is trying to do a donation where he can re-renovate his whole entire kitchen, and so this way he could start getting paid, I think, while doing YouTubing now. And if you guys can help him out, that'd be great. Again, he's my older brother. He's the one that I told you guys did the BB gun thing to us. Yes, I'm supporting him, even though he tortured me as a kid. You know, I gotta have family loving somehow. And yeah, that's it. I mean, if you guys can donate to him, that'd be great. If you can't, then I guess as much support as possible. And that's it. Please donate to the Florida Wild Mammal Association. They bring in injured animals, they heal them up, and then they release them into this beautiful world that we call Earth. Also, I have hit almost 600 subscribers. Well, when I recorded this, it was 600. Hopefully, in a little bit, I'll hit 600. I am super happy about it. Guys, you have no idea. This has been completely unexpected how fast my channel has been growing. You guys mean a lot to me, of course, and I give all my awkward loving to all you guys out there. I hope you guys enjoyed my video gaming video thingy-majiggy. I hope I was a little bit more interactive than what I was last time, and I think I was. And I'm hoping to do another one because this was freaking awesome. I love this game a lot. I really highly advise you people to go out there and buy this game because this is I think it's on 360 only. I'm really not sure. I think it came out on PS3. I have to look it up. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on it. Don't quote me on it. If you guys have any video games that you want me to maybe play a little bit of and do like a little bit of recording on, let me know in the comment section below, because I kind of want to get, you know, after maybe I'm done playing this game, I can play this game and other games on top of that. Stay tuned for another Lollipop Chainsaw thingy. My name is Awkward Victoria, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!